overtake us on the overtaking lane.
You know, you're
It's a contractor.
reminds me a little of my
Contractor's the light. There's another huge truck coming there. See? It's a kettle truck.
Who are you? Hey, no questions. No who's, no what's, no whats.
Another kettle truck coming. Another kettle truck. It's a kettle truck. See? That's what happened in Australia. Especially in New South Wales. Yep, we're Beijing.
Stop beating that one.
I'll put that to it. You know, Joe, I look at my glazed eyebrow. What do you call that?
Lots of cars on the road today. Everyone's going camping. I can see lots of Isuzu. We're gonna count Isuzus.
Hit him with it.
With a raised eyebrow.
Race time round. Race time round.
Chad, so nice to see you both.
Did you want to get half an hour for that dribble?
Chad, health very small, hard work, carry for There's something wrong with your face, Chad.
There's another oversized truck coming there carrying big things. Mackenzie,
You said you were an elf
from Kenya. It's in the desert. Are you a typhoon?
Tidal forest.
Who are these elves? Do you have any idea where they're taking us?
Hey, stop it.
There's another long road train on the road. See? There's the Coles road train. There's a long road train in front of us as well. Ahead, you can see. Up the corner, ahead. Two hands. See some cattle out there.
Families abandoned. Now, classified as orphans. Horribly tragic, I know. By the mercy of blocks, you've been rescued. Brought here as Saint Achilles. In time, you'll come to be grateful for the kindness shown you. You'll repay that kindness with labour. Some of you will be pickers. Some of you sorry.
You'll think you can stay with me.
In your ways, all will serve the high tiger.
We have an overtaking lane coming out to case ahead. So many cars on the road today. More of those autumn leaves. Autumn trees and the paddy. You can see the cattle up ahead.
After General of St. Achilles, and mate to the Lord High in title. I know right now, but soon enough you will understand.
We're just heading to Gyra.
Or you're new.
We might be 10 k's into Gyra.
Let us go!
She's right. Let us go.
Slow down. Well, I didn't show you the load that we have.
Don't spoil your friendship.
We're carrying a load of tents and everything. We're heading to big camp anyway.
You and your catch of filth will stay together.
My kids love big
As
camp anyway.
pickers.
We've been going since
Perhaps when you remember your
they was my youngest, my oldest was 7-year-old.
What about my brother?
Now he's 17, so that's like 10 years into it.
Out?
Oh, look at this one. It's a short lane and he's overtaking, and the truck, it's a long vehicle. Slow down, we don't have to.
I didn't think so.
We are right behind this long road train. See, I wonder how many meters. Probably 10 meters. this, right?
Thank you. So, you don't have
You can look ahead very long. See the corner? It's like 120 footer, 220 footer, so maybe
Alright, you are. Let's move it in, come on.
Do exactly as it is, or you'll never
I don't know, I can't really see it, but it's long. The sign says it's long. The vehicle is long. You never look, I just. Yeah, see? Vehicle.
Two left.
Suddenly, right?
There's more cars coming.
Turn your legs to the right.
On the clock. And sleep.
I think you're trying to move, Blinker.
We are heading to Gary.
Sometimes
Not so far away anymore.
exhausted and collapsed.
See the lamps up there and the paddock. Those are little lemmies. Lemmy. We're behind this big train.
I'm going to get out of here.
Scary, isn't it? Viewers, let me know if you do have in your country long vehicles like this and you drive behind them. Let me know.
You're going to learn how. Whenever they're not watching, every chance.
Yes, we're heading to Gary. You can see the signboard there. They're just welcoming up Mother of Ducks Lagoon. This is one of the beautiful places too, the bridge. I love it. See? The autumn leaves. There's just yellow, my favorite color, yellow and green.